Thank you. Good morning, my dear parents, teachers, members of the faculty, members of St. Benedict School family, our dear students. Good morning to everyone. This year has not been a very easy year for us. Everybody is in the process of adjusting. This is the first year that we have completed face-to-face start of the school year. It's never easy to start things, but as we go along, we can see that we are all trying. And now, as the year ends, we are very proud to show everyone, to share everyone our accomplishments. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy our children's preparations. And Merry Christmas to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you for that stimulating message, Sir Attorney Fabella. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the SBSN Christmas Program Year 2023.
I am Angelo Tamiles, Public Information Officer of the SSLG.
And I am Vince Rasalapia, Treasurer of SSLG. And we are your hosts for today. But before we start our program, are the parents ready for a spectacular show?
Also ready? I want to hear you shout. Is the journalism club ready?
How about the language club?
How about the science club?
How about the math club?
Is the varsity team ready? This performance is a unique and special one. For Filipino Christmas, emphasizing faith, festivity, and family and community. The SBSN Journalism Club, Red Chronicles, will show us how Filipinos celebrate Christmas. Christmas in the Philippines is a harmony where vibrant melodies work of carols weave through the streets. Echoes of laughter fill through a family gathering, the smell of delicacies such as puto bongbong in the streets everywhere, and a sweet symphony of music every night. These activities are all highlights of Filipino Christmas. Again, let us welcome the Journalism Club!
Kids, stop that and settle down before you break the presents. Alex, open the TV.
Yes, Dad.
Back to SBS Newsline. Let us now take a look at how the Filipinos celebrate the beloved Christmas season. For our special news report, we have Angelina Geronimo and Gabriel Mantiles.
Sa totoo lang, ako at ang aking pamilya ay hindi nakapagdiwang ng Pasko. Hindi ito ang unang taon kung saan hindi kami nakapagdiwang ng Pasko. Dahil ako lang ang nagtatrabaho sa pamilya ito. Kahit may trabaho ako, hindi pa rin ako nakapaglagay ng pagkain sa mesa. Ano pa kaya ang pagkain para sa Pasko? Gusto ko humingi ng paumanhin sa aking mga anak. Dahil hindi ko sila mabigyan ng isang maligaya at kusang Pasko. Sana sa susunod ay mag-ibig.
Hindi ko maisip kung paano pwedeng mangyari yun. Lalo na, nagpaso yun. Maraming pwedeng mangyari.
Sana nga sa susunod na taon ay mabigyan ko na ang aking mga anak ng isang Pasko na magpapasaya sa kanila.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpapaunlak, Ginang Cruz. This has been Angeli Geronimo,
And Gabriel Martinez.
reporting for SBSN News Live.
It saddens me seeing the unfortunate situations that the other families had to go through.
That's why we need to be grateful for what we have. Isn't that right, kids?
Yes, Dad.
Well, I'm glad to see you raise your kids well, huh? Now, kids, who's excited for exchanging of gifts? Me! Me!
I'm so happy to see my grandchildren looking this happy this time of the year.
You're so right, dear. It puts a smile on my face, seeing how much they've grown.
Big